Snowy, are you okay? No, she just has a big gash through her throat and she's bleeding out. Shut up. Snowy, get up, please. Please? Ow. Here, we'll help you. Get up. Grayson, are you okay?
I'm fine. It's just a few scratch wounds.
Okay. Where should we go? Well, now we know there's obviously predators here. We have a choice to keep going upward or go back where we were. And that was a few miles ago.
Well, I suggest we keep moving upwards.
You finally get the idea that it's not safe here anymore. That's good. Come on, everyone, let's go. Grayson, you take up the rear and make sure that no one tries to attack us from behind. I'll take the lead on this. Hey guys, look, up here. There's a bunch of moss. Do you think this would be a good place to stay for the night? I want everyone's opinion. Including you, Snowy, because you're injured. It looks safe to me, but we better check it out first. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I guess, but we should really get Snowy's opinion on this. Yeah, sure. I just really need to lay down. My neck hurts. I agree. We should really get Snowy into bed.
Alright, you guys, lay her down in the, moist moss, and, we'll have Grayson and Lassie go around here to make sure it's safe, alright? Okay, this looks good. Instead of having just two of you go out, I think that you should go too, hon, because in case there's a wolf pack nearby. And I'll stay here with Snowy, unless, Grayson, you want to stay instead, because, you know, you're kind of injured. But whatever you want to do.
Yeah, and also, I want to make sure she's safe.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Since when have you wanted to make sure I was safe? Because I care. I may not like you, but I still care. I don't trust you. You're heartless. Besides, I never saw the good side of you anyways. Even if you do possibly have one. Yeah, you never saw that because you were injured during the fight. You're welcome for even saving me.
Alright, so we walked around here pretty good ways, and we didn't find anything bad. Not really much at all.
Well, there's something good. Snowy, are you feeling any better? Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you breathing okay? That gash in your neck seems really bad.
Well, oh, look, a rabbit!
Good job, Lassie. Well, now we know that there's life around here, so I think this is a good place to stay for a while.
Yeah, that's until we hear gunshots.
Yeah, well, he used until, not if. So, we obviously know that there's predators out here and there might not be animals like us. So, we just gotta be careful. Make sure we don't do anything stupid, okay?